Hello and welcome. This video is most definitely going to put a smile on my girly girls' faces because today I had a bit of a pamper session and got my nails looking super cute with the awesome gel nails by Tessa. Tessa always has these really amazing specials during holidays and festive seasons, and so I always make sure I pass by her and do the things that need to be done. After getting my nails done, I dashed home to freshen up for an evening date I had with some of my sisters. I was super excited about that. We were all late, but I was the first one to arrive. Kabanga. But honestly, it was really worth it. I always love spending time with my sisters and just unwinding and having good conversations, great laughs. It's always such a great refresher. While I waited for them to grace me with their presence, I enjoyed a passion fruit and lemonade, my absolute fave, and really just enjoyed the breeze and the atmosphere of being outside, something I don't usually do. These women finally graced me with their presence, and now the party could start. Guess which song I'm belting out right here. I, for one, don't just enjoy creating content, but I believe it's important to create memories as well. And so that's why I love taking pictures, because I feel like it's something we can look back on years from now and, talk about, laugh over, and just share beautiful stories and testimonies.
Say hi to the channel. Say hi to Gracefully, Tori. Tell them you are jealous because we are enjoying.
After harassing King, it was time to get into the Tori serious. And really, in no time, plates were cleaned and all evidence and mountains were removed. We had a really cool waiter. His name was Onks. So anytime you go to main deck, do ask for him. You'll get the best service. And Onks was really so kind enough to capture these moments for us. Oh, truly appreciate it. It was getting pretty late, so we did have to quickly wrap up everything, go home and prepare for the day ahead. So we soaked in a few more moments together before heading out. Oh, and before we left, this happened. I'm truly grateful for Sisterhood this year. I believe that Sisterhood done right creates a safe space for women to grow and empower each other to become the best versions of themselves and form formidable forces. I'm truly grateful to have sisters in Christ who are amazing women.